Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team, your probate estate professional. So, wanted to continue the theme from last week. We're going to knock out some more items. Today, we're going to talk about the responsibilities of personal representative. We're going to hit a couple key ones, but that's it. There's a massive list, not massive, there's a large list, but you will fall asleep with me on this video. So, here we go. Let's start. Also, remember if an item has a beneficiary, it is not a part of the estate. If there's a life insurance policy and there's a beneficiary on there, it's not part of the estate. It is the beneficiary. If there's a bank account and you're additional on the bank account to pay out at death, POD, it's not a part of the estate. All right. Know these things. You got to know these things. All right. Now let's get started. I'm going to hit a couple items. Number one, you're going to determine if the estate determine if there's any assets of the estate, cars, anything, boats, trucks, jewelry, fancy clothes, whatever it may be, a house. You want to go and get all that items. Also, you're probably going to be asked to do a quick inventory or get a professional do an inventory. We can help you with all that. Remember, we take over where the attorneys leave off. We work hand to hand with the attorneys. They handle the legal side. We handle everything outside of that. We can refer you to funeral homes, attorneys, you name it. We have the referrals. We have 25 years of relationships that we can help you with in the state of Maryland. All right. So you're going to determine the assets you might be required to inventory based upon the dollar amount or how big the assets are. You're going to continue to receive. If there's still money coming in from it could be interest, dividends, whatever it may be. Remember, that's a part of the estate unless there's beneficiaries, but it has to deal with the next one. That is you opening up a state bank account. You're not using the deceased bank account. You're not using please don't use your bank account. You have to open up an estate bank account. So you'll need a documentation. You'll need a death certificate. You'll need your appointment as a personal rep, EIN number so forth. So open up that account because all assets has to go in that and all bills should be paid out of that. If for some reason you need to pay a personal bill with a check out of your own bank account, document it. Make sure the receipts are documented and provided to the attorney to make sure you're protected. You want to continue to pay bills. You want to make sure the mortgage is still paid, the insurance is still paid, the electric still paid. Don't let the house fall in disrepair. All right. You want to continue to do that. It's all can be done out of the estate. But as soon as there's someone, a loved one or somebody you know passes, and you're either already appointed as a personal rep, it's in the will, or you're appointed by the courts. Remember, at that moment in time, you work for the estate, not the deceased. So as you go through our list and you call us and you work with us, we're going to keep reminding you some of the rules and regulations. Why? Because we don't want you to make a mistake that could financially hurt you. As a personal rep in the state of Maryland, you are allowed to receive compensation that's a fixed amount, a percentage that the attorney can help you with, but you will be compensated for your activity. So we have a large list. We can get with you if you have any questions. If you know anybody that's going through this situation, remember, do not do the approach that so many people do, and that's the ostrich approach. Hit on, address it. You're still going to have the pain, maybe the pain of the lost loved one, but the point is don't make it worse by sticking your head in the sand. So please give us a call when you get a chance. All our information is below. Let us help you get through this situation. And I promise you, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it's not a train. All right, guys, give us a call so you can experience the Benton benefits. Talk to you later.